pieces of pizza. Tulang, tuliapan. Order ka na meron, habang first quarter pa lang. First time, lima lang ang tuntun. Second game ni Mr. Carlos Anyasco ngayon. Kaya abang-abang lang kayo sa pizza mamaya.
Last five. First and last five. First and last five.
First time, Pintor Navarrete. Postrero, Kakambang, Paraguso. Calino Castro, Wesley Khan, and Carlos Anyasco. First quarter.
Ayusin mo, Wesley, ha?
Sampo Navarrete, Calino. So, taken by Macauta. Sampo Navarrete, pull up, stop. Castro. Now, Macauta. Blanco de Castro. Wesley Khan, Pintor. Julio. Castro, Anyasco. In and out. Rebound, Luciano Topos-Moro. Using the good Luciano, first 2 points of the game. Castro Julio. Back to Castro. 10 seconds on clock. Anyasco back to Calino. This line's up. Strong with Luciano. Postero. Navarrete. 2 points, Navarrete. 4-0. Castro, Anyasco, Costa. Esteban, yes, Paraguso, control of the ball. Postrero, driven by, shot, rebound, Julio. Recovered Medrano. Postero. Ranjin. Strong rebound Medrano. Baseline down. Double rebound. Ano? Where's the back? Where's the direction? Where's the back of the game? Courtesy of Bushnell. Papaubang Postero. Rambo Medrano. Navarrete, pull up, short. Rebound ng Castro. Puto Castro. Calino. Reverse shot, 2 points Calino. Chase the ball.
Score 6-4.
Medrano. Navarrete. Pero Medrano, pull up Puto Castro. Calino, Orador. 2 points Calino.
Score 4-8. Lamang ang blue.
5 minutes, 35 seconds, first quarter.
5 minutes.
Medrano to Paragoso. Back na Medrano. Pull up, 2 points Medrano. Calino to Castro. Seconds violation. Substitution. Mali por Castro. Mismo por resultado.
Score 8-6. Lamang ang blue. Team 2. Team 2 blue. Team 4 red.
Postero. Makaumpa. Paragoso. Bullpen. Pull up, short, rebound, palawak, Paragoso. So the ball, 2 points Paragoso. Second leg lang ito. Calino. Left-handed shot, short. Makaumpa. Postero. Castro mismo. Postero. 2 points. Chase the ball. 2-point lead, team 4. Castro. The ball is in the ball, 2 points. Pwede na pagkagul. 3 minutes, meron po ang character player. Yung mga ito pa nakapasok po, pangalito sa may ball. Medrano. Papangba, Paragoso. Rebound. Number 30, Calino. Substitution. Roldan for Calino. Paco Rios for Rio. Palconete for Paragoso. Navarrete, pull up. 2 points, Navarrete. Allen. Paco Rios. Tisco, baseline. Strong, rebound, Roldan. With that, strong, rebound. Medrano, Postero. Rebound, Roldan. Good back by Postero. Ball taken by Falconete. Navarrete. Ola, strong rebound to Castro. Bakunas. Using the ball. 14 left in the game. 2 minutes, 35 seconds, first quarter. Postero. Medrano. Makaupang baseline jump. Rebound. Loose control Medrano. Last touch Medrano. Singapore is wrong. There's a ball. Number 41, Falcon Newton. Going down to the castle. Akos. Pull up. First quarter. Mostrero. Entrano. There's a foul. Three free throws. Entrano. Mostrero. Second throw. Basket again. Three for three. Petrano. 100% Petrola. Petrano. Last that's number 8. Just the ball, the first one, 1 minute, 5 seconds. Tuloy sa mga tatanong na yan. Multi balls. Just the ball, si Secretary, for 2 seconds, 1 minute. Nakaumpang, Mostrero, Renzo. Using the ball is strong. With the ball. First quarter. Mostrero. Cabarete. Pull up. 2 points na Cabarete. Pwede malit 1. 18-17. 15 seconds. Russian foul. Number 17. Mostrero. 7.2 seconds. First quarter. 18-17. Castro. Total 17, 3.5 and our first round.
Score 2017. Lamang ang Team 2, Blue. End of first quarter.
Blue, blue, blue. Inya bola, blue. Inya bola, inya bola, inya bola.
Lorenzo. Yan po ang ating mga co-sponsor tonight. At ito ang usap ng parang yan rinig.
Hey!
Into ball. Where's the ball? Toyo. Gusto pa niya so. Where's the time? Increase in the lead to 5, 17. Lugana. Makauta. Mostrero. going down. Foul committed. Blocking foul. Number 7, Paromo. First personal foul, Paromo. Second team foul, Pinto. There, intercepted by Camino Julio of the West Italia, Singapore. Bellboy. Magano. Ah, 2 points for Magano. 19-22. 8 minutes, 15 seconds. Second personal foul was made. All personal foul, Pinto. Julio. Costello. Entrano. Mahalman. Baseline down. Short. 3 points. Baseline down. Roma has in control. Intercepted by Costello. With the ball play. Cutting the lead to 24-21. 7 minutes. Second quarter. 3. Nakaundang na Barete, pwede na tayo mag-balik. 6 minutes na ituwa sa kasi. Israel is now in one play. Leslie Mann. First personal foul, Wisco Dance, and then team foul, 2-2. Bonus goal na Barete. May puntahin na Barete. Cutting the lead to 2, 26-24, 6 minutes, second quarter. Sampai back na. Shot, pressing on good marks. Small. Sampai Manila. Substitution. 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 Sub. Nakabila. Sa kabila, 2 minutes na yun. 2 minutes minimum play. Number play na. Parang mo ito, Julio. Picasso. Andrego Nalina, destroying down. Lebrano. Let's go. 364. Strong. Goal taken by Makalpang. All strong. They go back by down.
26 all. Oras 4 minutes 44 seconds ng second quarter.
Welcome to sa ating first sponsor tonight, Mr. Ricky Bagakay. Magpatuloy ka ng isang klina o call. Mr. Ricky Bagakay. Ang ating okol dyan isang deliver mo na habang sikat partner mo na. Bonus for support tonight. Okol Mr. Bagakay, sa Mr. Carlos Añasco and Miss Alice Lorenzo. Yan po mga bonus for support tonight. Second ball, Brano. Oh, basket. Roldan losing control. 10-4.
Sige lang.
Medrano. Hola, para Mostrero 3 points. Increasing the lead to 26. Castro. Julio. Using the ball. 2 points. Nice assist to Castro. 13-23 minutes. Second quarter. Ang manlalabang dito ay lalaban sa Team 1 Championship game. Mostrero. Good round.
Score 34-32. 1 minute 44 seconds na second quarter. Tamang ng dalawa ang red, team 4.
Rebound para Aguso. Topostero. Going on late. Somehow. Substitution. 1-4-2. Pasok. Malito. Agnesco. Yan po ang aming good sponsor po. First off, Estrella. Basket. Second throw. Overview, Estrella. Increasing the lead to 4, 36-32, 1 minute 20 seconds, second quarter. De Castro. Lola. Strong rebound, Ramoso. Robigliano. 5 on the baseline. Pressing the ball. There is a foul. Two free throws were committed. Second personal foul, De Castro. Two free throws were committed. Into under penalty situation. Foul committed. First throw is good. Second throw. Holding foul number 91 Navarrete. Second team foul. 2-4. Second personal foul. First personal foul. De Castro. Out. No tap and foul committed. Hanggang wala po ito, tuloy-tuloy lang laro. Para hindi sayang ang bayan. Paramoso. Shot. Recover Paramoso. Blanco. Navarrete.
Score 39-32. Lamang ang team code. Dali. Bilis. Tira.
And first up, 39-34.
39-34. End of second quarter. Lamang ang red.
Parang makalaking bago matapos ang third quarter. Ang mananalo po rito ay lalaban sa Team 1 for championship game. Twice to beat ng Team 1.
Alive yan.
Oh.
May bagong rules mo ngayon.
Shout out, Sir Randolph.
Bago na po, third quarter. 5-3 Team 4.
Pula, pula.
Team 4 ball.
Yung bola. Depensa, bro. Depensa.
Wait. Wala pa oras. Togo. Game. Pahinga muna. Sige, pahinga muna kahit ang bangawan.
Din!
1 minute, ready.
Din!
Well down. Bakal pa. Osteo. Lebrano, ito sa pinatid. Bakal Lebrano. Navarrete. Shoot na pa Lebrano. Sipag ang team floor yan. Mukhang gusto niya makalaban ng team 1 sa championship. Okay. Ang team ko ay kung doon sa Calproneto ay pakulos. Maganda. 2-16 na ang pula. Isang rebound. another foul dispersal for tonight. Second personal foul for committed first row Paromo. No basket. Second row Paromo. In and out. One more shot. One point Paromo. What in the middle before? 39-35, 8 minutes, 35 seconds, 8 quarter. Vidrano. Amarute. Nanay Adios. Pagulatin. Castell. Makambal. Using the ball, sir. Castell. Makambal. Camino, presentador, capitán total, capitán televisión. Number 9, Carlos, kita pwede magsangka po sa gasto, ito ba pwede? Carlos, ito ba pwede, ha? 2 minutes lang tayo. Carlos, ha? Dalawang laro na lang tayo ng tutulong. Pwede na, 16 seconds na. Camino, Anlasco. Tapos siya, strong. Makabang. Seconds to shoot. 13 seconds. 13 seconds to shoot. Vidrano. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot.
Score 39-37. Down.
Number 24, Makauba. First special foul, Makauba. Second foul, Team 4. And yes, number 1. Castro, 10 seconds at the 5 seconds to shoot. 2 points to Castro. 2 points down.
39 all.
39. Second personal foul, Makauba. 13 foul, 2-4. 2 free throws to Castro. First throw shot.
39 all. Oras 5 minutes ng third quarter.
Started by Castro. Papunta sa control. Pakumayas sa hulo. Tingnan na naman. Pakakapirahan. Oh, there is a foul. Number 10. On number 30. Galino. Second personal foul, Galino. May dapat pa kayo ha, booking sa 3 timeouts. Makautang, may grano. Ako makautang. Makautang, Magic. 2 points, makautang. 41-39, 4 minutes, 32 seconds. Ernesto. Intercepted by Postero. Good down. 360. Bola. 2 points to go.
Score 41-39. 43-39. 4 minutes ng third quarter. Lamang ang pula. Team 4.
Yung mga hindi pa nakapasok, kailangan makapasok tayo ng 3 minutes minimum player time per player. Sino pa ang nakapasok sa team? Wasutan, Ronda, ay papasok natin. Naman ng dalawa ang team 4. 43-39. 4 minutes 13 seconds. Wesley Tan. Asawa yan, galit pa. Castro! Starting 43-42. Castro. Replano. Paracoso. Second throw. Rebound Ernesto. After this ball, that's right. Hindi ko kaya yan. Santo. 24. 46, 24, 2 minutes, 59 seconds, third quarter. Team 4 by 2. Nagboy, tumama sa tao. Costero. Betao. Roll by Nelson Barrera.
46 all.
Ano siya? Three free throws, Costero. Personal foul ng Castro. Okay, Archie, dahil binigay mo lang bumili ka ng pizza. Last ball, Costero. Number 24, Macaulay. Penalty. Hey, personal foul, Macaulay. Betting is under penalty situation. Warning for penalty team 2. Team 4 under penalty situation. Second row balik.
Score 48-46. 1 minute ng third quarter. Ito na lang.
Paragoso. Seconds. First one, Paragoso, basket. Second ball. Paragoso. Room for ball. 49.
49 all. 49 all.
Good luck at the game. With round. Two points to Castro. 9 seconds.
Score 51-49. End of third quarter.
Ang ating time evolution o fourth quarter at 5 minutes.
Namang ang blue. Team O.
Coach ng both teams. Coach, gusto mo? Coach, sa kabila. Blue evolution. 2 minutes. Fourth quarter. 12 minutes. Ang standard kasi 12 minutes. Pag-quarter mo ginawa natin kasi late tayo na mag-start. Ang minimum play time per player ay 2 minutes. Fourth quarter. Red ball. May jump ball kanina. 5 minutes is that box. Ang mananalo ko rito ay labanan sa 2 points ang discipline as good ang team 1. Champion sa kinaga ng team 1. Wala nang sabihin ang spirit sa match. 2 minutes. Play time 2 minutes. Rebound to Castro. Castro change direction. Back to Castro. So, Canilog. Black pa na bate. Black pa na 8 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds shot left. 8 seconds shot left. 8 segundo. Good seconds lang yan, ha? Yung mga pakamayos na ulo. Report line. Shot! Number 30. Dalino, third personal foul. First team foul. Team 2. Run time, 5 minutes is stopwatch. Navarrete, counted by Aloy Agnasco. Navarrete to the right side. Pakamayos, Torino. Lato kanina, closing the board, shoot. Team 4. rebound. Makaumba. Makaumba. Makaumba ang Tyson. Drop to the using the ball, increasing the Number 6, Carlos Añasco. First personal, Carlos Añasco. Third team foul. Team 2. Rosero, Fortunato. Losing the foul. And the second one, Añasco. Final quarter. 2 minutes more of playing time natin. Pwede na magpalit. Añasco. Losing the ball. Medrano. Tumakan na. Back to Medrano. Losing the ball. First one is the foul. Ating good to 5:51. 7 minutes, 45 seconds.
Score 51-55. 4-point lead ng Team 2. Oras 7 minutes.
Añasco, rebound. Put back to Carlos Añasco. Rosero.
Already players!
Yeah, 6 minutes, 7 minutes, 5 seconds for final quarter. De Castro. Dominic.
57-51. Lamang ang Team 2. Oras 6 minutes ng 4th quarter.
Yung mga hindi pa nakapasok, pumasok pa. Yung mga hindi pa nakapasok, pumasok na. May 2 minutes tayo required playing time. Mandatory playing time, 2 minutes. Warning for penalty kick 2. Two free throws for Srero. Second throw. Rupert Hill Castrero, equal to 6. 5 minutes, 14 seconds. Aramo. Wesley. 10 to shoot. Stop clock na tayo. 5 to shoot.
Score 59-53. Lamang ang Team 2. 6. 4 minutes.
Pwede magpalit. Kasi hindi na pwede na, bigyan na bola. 4 minutes, 15 seconds. Second person of Marcos Focus to the basket. Second throw, Wakamba. Strong. Wala mali. Mismo. Laudano Kapalomo. Balik. Buling tayo ng sunod.
Score 59-54. 3 minutes 59 seconds. 5-point lead Team 2.
Final quarter. 5-point lead, Team 2. Ball position, Team 4. Penalty ang Team 2. Ang Team 4 wala pang ang Team 4 wala pang oras 3 minutes. 5-point lead ng Team 2. First throw na for the team.
all. 59 all. 2 minutes, 52 seconds. All. 2 minutes, 48 seconds ng fourth quarter. Under penalty ang team 2. First team foul pa lang ng team 4.
2 minutes, 48 seconds. Ilan ang kagad ng punto? 2. Ang punto, 1. Yung isang natin po, ano pa tayo na parang kita matapos? Ang mananalang po ito, lalabas sa punto, para sa punto ng punto sa abuso. Huwag na tayo mag-overtime ha, ito ang oras. 13 seconds to shoot. 2 minutes, 48 seconds. Gasto. Ano? Wala pang penalty, dalawa pa lang 2 fouls ng pinto. Dalawa pa lang.
Dalawa pa lang. No penalty.
Dalawang foul pa lang 2 fouls ng pinto.
59 all. Oras 2 minutes 38 seconds ng fourth quarter.
First personal foul ng ano. Gasto, Pepsi.
Penalty. 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 Wala pa ba yun? Dali. Ay! Mali. Ayan na, ayan na, ayan na, ayan na. Wala pa. Third team foul. Third team foul. Third team foul. Wala pa. Third pa lang. Third team foul pa lang. All lang, oh. 59 all. Warning. Warning. Ay! Fourth pa lang. So, isa pa dapat. Warning pa lang team 4. Ay, malakas. 2 minutes. Bawal overtime. Ayan na. Score 59-63. 1 minute, 11 seconds. Ang ganda ng laban. Score 63-59. 1 minute 11 seconds. Bola ng blue. Time out pa daw.
Ang tumpo pa isang time out pa.
Mahaba pa yan.
63-59.
Bola ng blue.
Orange players!
Wala. Foul. Dalawa.
Second personal foul to Bravo.
Free throw. Dalawa. Penalty both team. Penalty both team. 56 seconds remaining. Three-point lead. Ay! Dalawa, penalty.
Personal foul.
63-60. Ang lakas. 63-60, lamang ng tatlo. 50 seconds ng fourth quarter. Ay! Penalty. Dito. Dalawa.
Personal foul na balo. Warning recognition na balo. Plus 27.7 seconds. First throw. Second throw de Castro.
Ay! Free throw na naman. Laging free throw. Score 63-60. Lamang ang red. Timpor. Lamang ang timpor ng tatlo. 63-60. 64-60. Four seconds ng fourth quarter. Yun lang. Oh! 65-62. 65-62, oras 34 seconds ng fourth quarter. Magpe-free throw ang red. Timpor. Score 68-62. Lamang ang team 4. Oras 19 seconds. Kaka-charge ko lang yan. Kaka-charge ko lang. Cable ng speaker. Nasa bahay. Lobat ang speaker. Ang speaker ang lobat. Sorry. Sorry, nalobat ang speaker. Kaya walang... Oh. Score 68-62. 14 seconds. Sixty-nine, 62. Tapos ang laban. Score 71-62. Panalo ang Team 4.